What's going on, everybody? It's your boy. We're back again. Sneak peeks with Josh, and I must say, I'm happy. There's a lot of differences being made, a lot of reconstructing, a lot of dope pairs that's also been picked up in the process. But if you are new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and definitely tune in because this is a sleeper, heater, and also a classic. So watch this. So those of you guys that do follow me on Instagram, you guys have seen it. I traveled to Puerto Rico recently, and I also had the dope opportunity to go to Atlanta, Georgia. I connected with a dope friend of mine, my brother, the one and only Debonairlifestyle Lifestyle. He goes by the name of D-Will the shooter, the calm stepper, and many things of that sort. So I got the chance to link up with him. He definitely showed me around the town, dope atmosphere, dope vibes, got to meet the family, and so forth. But I also got the chance to pick up a sneaker. To me personally, it took me way back, and it was a dope vibe and classic that it was a must-have in the stash, as you guys know. And I'm definitely putting a calm stamp on this one. For me, we're gonna get into this. Travel with the box, got it. But as I said, this shoe was so clean, so calm.
I had to get this shoe too, so let's talk about it. I'm gonna give this shoe a comp stamp because of the colors, the purple, gray, and white, and I can even match with my dad or apart. So let my dad give you some more details.
So, as you guys seen, we are talking about the Air Jordan 7 Flint. Me, I definitely am gonna go straight into the history. It did release in 2006, and then within all this time, all these re-retros and different Jordan color tones coming out, they finally brought this one back. And me, as you seen, my son, he said he's gonna give it a calm stamp. I'm definitely gonna give it a calm stamp. So now, let's get into more of this detail. So, being that this one is a classic and it's only right, we jump into that history. I'm gonna first start off saying that it did get the nice silhouette from 2006, a little more before that as well, but those color tones consisted of the Raptors, it also consisted of the Bordeaux, and then they also did the Flints. But in terms of the silhouette, it did have a lot of differences and a whole lot of similarities from the color tones, the patterns, and even down to this nice tumble leather that you guys can see, even down to that purple Jumpman. But me, personally, I definitely felt this was one of my favorites. Being that this is a classic, this is one of the shoes that I always called the Bugs Bunny from when I was younger, even down to those classic 8s as well, because you know that gray tone and all. But as we get into these details, this shoe is by far clean. It's pretty bright. As you guys know, I do always have the details above, so be on the lookout for those. But the sneaker is so smooth, the suede, nubuck, whatever you guys want to call it, just know it has some very good materials. Even down to this nice tumble leather, it's very pebbled, it's very, very smooth, and it has that old school Varsity vibe to it as well. Me, I felt like the shoe is very simple, very calm, very cool, and it's a must-have in a stash. As you look on the side, we have these little panels with the gray, the black, and then it also blends perfectly with the color blocking in terms of that white and also those purple. As we go up the toe, it did come with the white pair of laces, very clean, subtle, and just one that you can never go wrong with. So when you look closely, we have this nice little design on the tongue. As you know, we do have some details above, but as you see on the tongue, we have this nice classic pattern alongside with the Jordan going across and the air in between. As you guys can see on the back, we have that dope 23 mixed with the color blocking such as purple, black, and a little bit of gray. And then as we flip the shoe and you look at the bottom, that's just so clean. It's pretty plain, but it's clean because it has all these different patterns, materials. I'm not really gonna say materials, but more so of those little different designings in the inside. On this end, you see a bunch of holes up here. It's more so of the same, but in a different type of style. We have our purple here that's also showing, and we also have that classic Jordan that goes there at the bottom. So Let me know how you guys feel. That we're gonna get into some B-roll. Let y'all see this on foot, and we're gonna stay tuned for a lot more videos on the way. And just know we're back with a lot of bangers and something very special on the way too. So thank you guys for supporting, and be on the lookout. And it's your boy Sneak Peeks with Josh saying peace. Oh.